My name is Trisha. I'm in the School of Biosciences in Cardiff University. We're doing a research trip. We're helping out with the researchers. Being here has really taught us how to handle animals. It added growth for me to become a future scientist because it taught me this is what they do in real life. They're not always in the lab, and to get data you need to go outside and probably get your hands dirty. Seeing the actual animals that we saw on TV and having them actually in front of you is like extraordinary. Like there's no words to describe seeing an orangutan right in front of you, or seeing like a pangolin like that's been absolutely rare just hanging in a tree sleeping. It's just, I'm in awe.